short dreams, thought pattern thrown out of whack. The life of insomniacs.
The architect is calling dream worlds for narcoleptics. Almanacs of fantasy, anesthetics, and metal calisthenics. Fell asleep at the wheel before my desired dimension. Complying with stress is sitting wired and restless. We're playing all the memories I've acquired over time. Every teardrop I wipe from your cheek when you cried. Oh, what it would feel like if, say, a brother had died. Or what life would be like if it was really like what yours is mine. A course design. Hop up, take a piss, and I walk. Lace my Timbs, pass my graph on some I don't wanna talk. Sit on the porch, spark that torch, consume my thought. Cause I think too much if I'm awake, so I sleep for that cause. An honest rap, and his insomniac, swallowing cognac, flipping his combat knife in his right hand, itching his contacts. Wanna soak in melatonin, sleeping bag, fight script, NyQuil, nightcap, will fight it. Good night, kids, I like this, I can't sleep.
No rest, no sleep, long nights and short dreams, thought pattern thrown out of whack. The life of insomniacs. No rest, no sleep, long nights and short dreams, thought pattern thrown out of whack. The life of insomniacs.
Deconstruct the evening, 24 hours without sleep, losing the feet of reasoning. My thoughts I try to regulate, in a state of unrest. At best I try to meditate, my sleep's insufficient. Day to day seems to be the same game. Mistaken, thinking tonight will be any different. Getting that good sleep will mean a good night, but it seems like Mike Stipe is nowhere in sight. Turn off the TV, turn off the light. Admission to the dream world seems to be the hardest fight. The inability to obtain tranquility is killing me. My body has rights, but all I get are these sleepless nights. Acute, transient, or chronic. Lack of sleep is like a track. Look at that. You see, now I'm on it. Feel like Al Pacino, star of this dreamer. Body's about to shut down. Then the beat drops in, I'm up now.
No rest, no sleep, long nights and short dreams, thought pattern thrown out of whack. The life of insomniacs. No rest, no sleep, long nights and short dreams, thought pattern thrown out of whack. The life of insomniacs.
At night I can't sleep, I toss and turn. Candlesticks in the dark, visions of bodies being burned. Nightmares, flash death, as I wait my turn. Insomniac, half dead, lullabies I yearn. So I drink till I nod on the brink, time bomb, and I think I'm gone. Need a script, ambient till I slip in a trance. Mind tripped at a glance, got a grip and a chance. I've been awake since last week, so Mr. Sandman, give me a dream, sprinkle my whiskey with cyanide, put me to sleep. Jim Jones my drink, in this hole I sink. I feel a toll like links, chained to my bones I'm weak. Toe to toe with sheep, led to the slaughtering roads. I reap what I sow, weep my woes. Always me, heart of stone, and my soul is cold, frozen 10 below.
It's no rest, no sleep, long nights and short dreams, thought pattern thrown out of whack. The life of insomniacs. No rest, no sleep, long nights and short dreams, thought pattern thrown out of whack. The life of insomniacs.